The cheetah and the python are both fascinating animals that have unique characteristics and abilities. The cheetah is a large feline that can be found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, deserts, and savannas. They are known for their speed, agility, and hunting skills. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. They are able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. They are also known for their unique tear-like markings on their faces. Cheetahs are built for speed with a slim, lightweight body, long legs, and a large heart and lungs. The python, on the other hand, is a non-venomous snake that can be found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and wetlands. They are known for their strength, flexibility, and constriction abilities. Pythons have an incredible amount of strength and can squeeze their prey to death. They are also known for their ability to swim and climb trees. Pythons have a thick body and a powerful tail, which allows them to grip and hold on to prey. The cheetah and the python have different hunting techniques. Cheetahs are predators. They chase after their prey and use their speed and agility to catch them. They typically hunt small mammals such as gazelles, impalas, and springboks. Pythons, on the other hand, are ambush predators. They wait for their prey to come to them and then strike. Pythons typically hunt small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Both the cheetah and the python have unique adaptations that allow them to survive and thrive in their respective environments. The cheetah's speed and agility allow it to catch fast-moving prey, while the python's strength and constriction abilities allow it to overpower and kill its prey. However, both cheetah and python are facing threats in their natural habitat. Cheetahs are listed as vulnerable by IUCN, and their population is decreasing due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Pythons are also facing threats from habitat loss, hunting, and trade of their skin and for pets. In addition to the differences in hunting techniques and adaptations, the cheetah and the python also have distinct physical characteristics. Cheetahs have a slender, muscular body, a small head, and a long tail. They have a unique fur pattern that includes black spots on a yellow-orange coat. Their fur is also short and coarse, which helps them to stay cool while running at high speeds. Pythons, on the other hand, have a thick, heavy body, a large head, and a short tail. They have a variety of color patterns that can include shades of brown, green, and yellow. Their scales are smooth and glossy, which helps them to move quietly through the underbrush. In conclusion, the cheetah and the python are both fascinating animals that have unique characteristics and abilities. They have different hunting techniques and adaptations that allow them to survive and thrive in their respective environments. However, both species are facing threats to their survival, and conservation efforts are needed to protect them.